This is the topic of rounding off. In the last video, the voice was not coming, so I have re-recorded this whole thing to teach. So this is rounding off. I will try my best that you all understand what we are learning here and what is the process of rounding off numbers. It's a very easy topic. So here we go. So let me start with the very basic number. Let us say the number is 28 and we want to round it off to nearest tens. Let us start for nearest tens. So when we say nearest tens, you will concentrate your mind on the digit in the tens place, which is 2 here. You write 2 and after 2 you write 0. Why we are doing this? We are doing it to find the range. Okay, range is something between which the number will lie. Since it is nearest tens, we want to know 28 lies between which two tens. So the smaller tens is 20. This is your smaller tens that you see. And to find the greater 10, you just have to add 10. That will become 30. Okay. This is your bigger tens. After that, from tens place, you need to check the digit on the right. Digit on the right is 8. Now this digit you will compare with 5. If 8 is bigger than 5, if 8 is smaller than 5 or 8 is equal to 5. If 8 is, in this case 8 is bigger than 5, we can clearly see. So we will round off 28 to 30. But let us say instead of 8, we have a digit, let us say 5 here. That's 25. 5 is equal to 5. So in that case, 25 will be rounded off to 30. Always remember, if the digit to the right is 5, we will round it off to the bigger number. Instead of 5, if it is less than 5, let us say 4. Now 24. 4 is smaller than 5. In that case, the number will be rounded off to the smaller tens. Okay. So looking to the right, exact to the right is an important process, as an important step here in the case of rounding off. It will give you the correct answer always. Okay. So this is the process in which we are going to learn here. So let me find a different number. Let us say we have 4-digit number 4396 and we want to round it off to nearest tens. In this case, nothing has changed. Just check the digit in the tens place. Find the range. 9, you will write it. Whatever is before 9, write them as it is and put a 0 in the end. Always remember tens has one 0 in the end in the ones place. In other way, if you are not understanding, just remember since it is tens, from tens place, after tens place, how many digits are there? You will put that many 0. Now see, after 9 there is only 6, only one digit, so you will put 10. To find the greater 10, you will just add a 10 here. You will see the number has become 4400. Okay, this is the number between which, these are the tens between which 4396 lies. After that, the process is same. From tens place, look to the right, it is 6. 6 is bigger than 5. 6 is bigger than 5. So you see 4396 will be rounded off to 4400. Okay. This is the way we have to do. We just have to check what is the digit to the right. If it is thousands, we will look to the hundreds place. If it is hundreds, we will look to the tens place. I can show you an example for rounding off to 100, nearest 100. Let me show you one example. Let us say that we have a number, okay, 1,27,348. Okay, if it is hundreds place, you will just concentrate on 100 and look to the right. That's it. Okay, so if it is hundreds, the range will be write 3 first. Whatever is before 3, write them as it is and then put the number of zeros. Whatever number of digits is after 3. There are 2 digits, put 2 zeros. In other words, hundreds always have 2 zeros. And to find the greater number, that is the greater rounding off, add 100. So this becomes 127,400. Look to the right, it's 4. 4 is smaller than 5. You see, 4 is smaller than 5. So rounding off number is this much. Okay. So this is how we have to do. If it is lakhs, you will look to the 10 lakh, sorry, 10 thousands. If it is 10 thousands where you want to round off, you will look to the thousands place. This is the way. So let's move to this some question. Let's try to do some question. This is nearest 10. So I would like to show you. And also I will just leave behind some questions. You can try and attempt and you can write in the comment box to tell whether to just to let me know in case if you have understood or not. If you have not understood, let me know. I will explain it once again. So here we have got, let me go for this number that is C. So 9. This is 954122. What they want to do for nearest 10. Concentrate only on the digit in the tens place. Write that digit first. Whatever is before that digit, write them as it is and put 10. To find the greater number, just add 10. That becomes 30. So 94130. Look to the right. You see it's 2. 2 is smaller than 5. So your rounding off number will be 9, not this one, because 2 is smaller than 5. So your number is 954120. Okay, let's move to the next slide. In the next slide, you see this is hundreds. Let me show you. Let me show you the B. Okay, the 74576. You look at the digit in the hundreds place. That's your 5. Just put the numbers as it is. Okay, and look at here. This is 5. We are talking about 5. So how many digits are there after 5? 7 and 6. This is 7 and 6, right? Instead of 7 and 6, you have to replace them by 0. Okay, you have to replace them by 0 because it is hundreds. They want the hundreds. So we will delete them. We will not write those numbers. Rather, we will write the zeros. So the number is 74,500. That's your smaller range. And for the bigger range, just add 100. That is your 74600. And same process. From 100 place, look to the right to the tens place. 7 is bigger than 5. Round it off to the bigger number. So this number will be rounded off to 74600. Okay. Now, next question. This is nearest 1000. So here you will take care of the thousands digit place. So let us say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm doing number C. So in the thousands place, you see it's 4. Write 4 first. Whatever is before 4, write them as it is. And after 4, you see there are 3 digits. So write 3 zeros. And then to get the next number, that is the bigger number, add 1,000 here. If you add 1,000 here, this becomes 1, 2, 3, 5, and then this. Look to the right. Look to the right. So whenever 5 is there, when you look to the right, you will always choose the bigger round off. So this number will become 1, 2, 3, 5, and 3 zeros. That's it. And this is nearest lakhs. So if you are confused at any point, look at these numbers. They do not have a single comma, right? So let me show you with a B. Write the number. Okay. Write the number. Always remember commas are important. Put the commas. You see the digit in the lakhs place is 3. Put it. Write it. And put the required number of zeros. That's your smaller range. And this is your bigger range. You see it's lakhs, so you will add 1 lakh here. So it becomes 4 lakh in the bigger range. Then from 3, look to the right. You see the digit is 4. So 4 is smaller than 5. So the number, the answer will be 3 lakhs. That's it. Please do rest of the questions and check it if you are correct or not. If you are really like think that this is something that you have understood very well through the slides that I have prepared here. So that will also give me confidence, a boost up kind of thing. Let me know. So this is the question, a word problem. There are 42,975 students in West Delhi. Find the approximate number of students rounded off to the nearest 100. So you see the number is 42975. It's a comma is here. The one nearest 100. 100 places 9. Write the smaller range. Write the bigger range. Hmm? And then look to the right. To the right we have 7. If you see to the right we have got 7. 7 is bigger than 5. Your rounding off number will be 43,000. Okay. Let me change the color. 43,000 is the answer. This is another question here. So you can see the question. This is rounding off to nearest crore, lakhs, thousands. So let me know your answers if you have understood this. I really hope that you have understood this. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys have understood. Thank you.